Right. Now in previous class we had seen integrand of the form under root of a square minus x square. Now under the next category in substitution method we will be seeing integrand of the form under root of a square plus x square or a square plus x square. So whenever this kind of problem comes, blindly you put x is equal to a tan theta, because we know a formula secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So what I'll be doing means, let x is equal to a tan theta. So what happens, dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Therefore integral of dx by a square plus x square is equal to dx means a secant square theta d theta whole divided by a square. In place of x I will write as a square tan square theta. So a into secant square theta d theta, and here a square common means there remains 1 plus tan square theta, but we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So therefore I think both will be getting cancelled and one a will be getting cancelled, and that a will be coming outside. There remains d theta. So what happens, 1 by a integral of d theta is always theta plus c. Magar theta is nothing but tan inverse of x by a, because from this I can write tan theta is equal to x by a. That implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. I think it is clear, little bit blurred, but try to adjust. So what happens, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So finally this also should remember as formula, dx by under root of a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Right, I think you followed this problem. Now we shall be going for another pattern, under the same category, another problem. Integral of x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx. So what happens, that is equal to, this I will write as x cube by 1 plus x power 4 whole square dx. Now later what I will be doing means, if I put x power 4 is equal to t, what happens, 4x cube dx is equal to dt. We shall try by that pattern also. Put x power 4 is equal to t. So what happens, 4x cube dx is equal to dt. So finally what happens, x cube dx is equal to dt by 4. So numerator turns down to, here I am writing continuation, numerator turns down to dt by 4, and our denominator becomes 1 plus t square. If you could observe carefully, 1 by 4 and dt by 1 plus t square, and this can be written as 1 by 4 dt by 1 square plus t square, and it is taking the shape of this particular problem, dx by a square plus x square, that is nothing but 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So 1 by 4, 1 by a means 1 by 1, tan inverse x by a means here t by 1 plus c. But in place of t I need to substitute x power 4. So 1 by 4 tan inverse x power 4 by 1 means x power 4 only plus c. I think I told this thing, later explained its particular application. Right. Now we shall be seeing one long answer question. Show that integral of dx by under root of a square plus x square is equal to log mod x plus under root of a square plus x square plus c. Right. This should be remembered as a formula for competitive examination, and in CBSE sometimes this kind of application will also be given. So I'll be taking LHS, I'll consider LHS, integral of dx by under root of a square plus x square. So what I'll be doing means put x is equal to, whenever a square plus x square is given, we need to put x is equal to a tan theta, and dx will become as a secant square theta d theta. So definitely what happens, this turns down to a secant square theta d theta divided by under root of a square plus a square tan square theta. So if you could observe carefully, a square coming outside, 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta, but root is there, both, so 1 secant theta and here secant square theta will be there. So this turns like this, a secant square theta d theta divided by a secant theta d theta. I think a will be getting cancelled, 1 secant theta will be getting cancelled. So finally there remains integral of secant theta d theta. In morning class only, just now we explained integral of secant theta d theta. Integral of secant theta d theta means log mod secant theta plus tan theta plus c. But here x is equal to a tan theta given to us, but answer is in terms of algebraic expression, but we got in terms of trigonometric expression. So we need to convert this particular trigonometrical values into algebraic values. So for this what I'll be doing means, here I am writing, we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, but tan theta I called as x by a. So this becomes x square by a square. So this becomes a square plus x square by a square. That implies secant theta means I can write as under root of a square plus x square by a square. This conversion is very, very important for us. So what happens? That is equal to log mod. In place of secant theta, I can write as a square plus x square by a square, and in place of tan theta I can write as what beta? X by a, and here there remains c. So finally what happens? That is equal to I think so log mod, what happens? This can be written as x plus under root of a square plus x square by a plus c.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.